Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Portal. Azure. Come with an account that has owner or contributor permissions. This gives you the ability to delete resources. Once signed in, make sure you're in the correct subscription and locate the target resources resource group so you don't accidentally affect other items. If your tenant enforces multi-factor authentication, complete it now. Also check for resource locks or Azure policy constraints. These prevent deletion and must be removed first. With these prerequisites done, navigate to the Resource Overview blade to begin. You now inspect the resources properties and the dependencies list. This tells you what will be affected by deletion. Once comfortable, click Delete on the resource blade and carefully type or select the required confirmation name. This prevents accidental removal. If the resource has dependent services, decide whether to delete them now or detach first. For repeatable or bulk tasks, use Azure CLI as resource delete or Azure PowerShell remove as resource, which give more control and logging. Make sure to monitor activity logs once deletion is initiated. Wait for the portal to report success and then verify in the activity log and the resource group list that the item is gone. If the delete fails, check for resource locks, role-based access restrictions, or Azure policy blocks. Remove or adjust them and retry. If automation failed, confirm the service principal or user has the necessary role assignments. As a key troubleshooting tip, if a lock is preventing deletion, remove the lock from the resource or resource group, then rerun the delete. That solves most block deletes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.